Welcome! Today you're about to see something truly inspiring, how forgotten, discarded metal can be transformed into powerful art and unique decor. What many people see as trash, others see as raw material, history, and endless creative potential. Scrap metal carries marks of time. Scratches, rust, bends, and welds tell stories of machines, buildings, and everyday objects that once had a purpose. In this video, we explore how scrap metal becomes treasure. You'll see how old gears, pipes, chains, plates, and broken parts are reimagined into sculptures, furniture, wall art, and industrial decor pieces that feel bold, authentic, and alive. Scrap metal art is more than recycling. It's about vision. It's about seeing beauty where others see waste. It's about transforming rough, heavy material into something emotional and expressive. Throughout this video, you'll notice different styles: raw industrial aesthetics, artistic welded sculptures, functional decor with character, and creative upcycling ideas that give metal a second life. Some creations are minimalist, others are complex and detailed, but all of them share one thing: creativity driven by imagination, not perfection. This kind of art fits perfectly into modern interiors, loft spaces, workshops, cafes, studios, and outdoor spaces. It brings strength, texture, and personality into any environment. If you're a DIY enthusiast, this video may spark ideas for your own projects. If you work with metal, welding, fabrication, or sculpture, you'll recognize how powerful simple materials can become in skilled hands. As you watch, pay attention to shapes and balance, contrast between rough and refined surfaces, how imperfections add character, and how form emerges from chaos. Every piece you'll see started as something unwanted, something ignored, something thrown away. And that's the magic, turning the overlooked into something meaningful. This is not just about decor, it's about mindset, about creativity without limits, about sustainability, reuse, and respect for materials. Take your time. Let the ideas sink in. Imagine what kind of scrap metal treasure you could create yourself. And if you enjoy content like this, scrap metal art,